In this video, you're going to improve your English through learning to describe your daily routine in English. Repeat each sentence after I finish saying that. My name is John. I want to improve my spoken English. I would like to describe my daily routine in English. I usually wake up at 7 o'clock in the morning. Then, I finish my morning activities. I make my bed, brush my teeth, take a shower, do my hair, and prepare my breakfast. And then, I get dressed, have my breakfast, and set off for school. After getting to school, I first perform school prayer. Then, I arrive at the classroom before the teachers come in. And then, I continuously attend different lectures on different subjects given by different teachers till 2 o'clock. After that, I come back home, put away my bag, change out of uniform, freshen up, have lunch, and take a nap for a while. After 4 o'clock, I go to the playground near my house and play cricket with my friends till the evening. After returning from the playground and refreshing myself, I move to my reading room where I spend 2 hours reading books and doing my homework till I have dinner. Finally, I go to bed at 9 o'clock. Now learn the difficult words used in the daily routine. 1. To wake up means to rise from sleep in the morning. To make bed means to arrange bed. 3. To do hair means to arrange hair. 4. To set off for means to start a journey. 5. To put away bag means to return bag to its proper place. 6. To change out of school uniform means to remove school uniform. To freshen up means to refresh or wash hands and mouth. 8. To go to bed means to go to sleep at night. Compulsory test. Answer the following questions. Number 1. When does John wake up in the morning? Number 2. Who prepares breakfast for John? Number 3. Till what time does John remain in the school? Number 4. When does John go to the playground? Number 5. How many hours does John spend reading books? Now share this lesson to your friends. We extend heartfelt thanks to you for being a part of the super fraternity.